Hello, welcome back. My life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about limit involving greatest integer and modulus function. Analyze the given limit. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus x plus mod x by lambda minus x plus step x is equal to L. Means it is already exist the limit L. So we need to check the left hand side limit, right hand side limit. So I will take the evaluate the LHL extends to 0, letting put x is equal to minus h. The expression become a 1 minus h means minus of minus plus h, mod minus x h means plus h by lambda minus of minus h plus step of minus h. It will reach to the h value already 0 point minus 0 point something, so it will reach to minus 1. Now there is gives h plus h 2h 1 plus 2h by lambda plus h minus 1. H is 0, so the answer is 1 by lambda minus 1. Evaluate RHL means 0 plus. So x is equal to h. X 0.0 plus means it is 0.1 something, 0.001 like this. 1 minus h plus h by lambda minus h plus 0. Step of 0 point something, it is 0. That's why. So the RHL gives the 1 by lambda. Next, the condition already the given limit is existed L. So LHL is equal to RHL. So 1 by lambda minus 1 is equal to 1 by lambda. That equal to lambda is equal to lambda minus 1. It is not existed case. So the final result, since 0 is not equal to minus 1 is a condition contradiction. So no real value lambda exists.